Did you know that there's a day dedicated to oatmeal cookies? Celebrated on April 30th, these fiber-packed treats have their own deliciously wholesome holiday. So now that you know about this special day, let's delve into the history of the oatmeal cookie. Before oatmeal cookies became a thing, there were oatcakes. Originating thousands of years ago, oats were primarily used as fodder. However, in Northern Europe and Scotland, oats were a staple, particularly in oatcakes. These simple snacks provided soldiers with energy during wartime. From being a simple energy snack, oats have come a long way to become the star ingredient in our beloved oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal is not just a tasty ingredient, it's packed with benefits. It promotes gut health, reduces cholesterol, and brims with antioxidants. Oatmeal comes in old-fashioned, steel-cut, and instant varieties. And did you know there's a place called Oatmeal in Texas? So the next time you munch on an oatmeal cookie, remember, you're not just enjoying a treat. You're also reaping the benefits of this amazing superfood. There's more to oatmeal cookies than meets the eye. We've explored their history, health benefits, so on April 30th, let's all celebrate the joy of National Oatmeal Cookie Day. Remember, it's not just a cookie, it's a superfood cookie.